Hi everyone, in today's video we will solve this C program which is on my screen, and the question is which one of the following is processed or executed by preprocessor. So the answer of this question is A, which is hash include stdio.h. We will play with more example, but before that let me explain you what is preprocessor. So when a compiler converts C program into executable file, compiler has four phases to output an executable file, and these phases are preprocessing, compilation, assembling, and then linking. So preprocessing is the very first step or first phase of compilation process. We will have more example. For that, let's create a basic C program, and we will create this program and compile it using GCC compiler on Linux. So for that, I will connect to my Linux machine. This is my virtual machine, and let me create a file main.c. You can give it any name using VI editor. After I press enter, to start typing I have to press I. I is for insert mode, and let's type one small program to understand how preprocessor works. So this program is just will print hello on the screen, but so I will compile this. I'll save this program by pressing escape shift colon WQ, and then let me just compile it using GCC. This is a basic syntax. Now this command will produce or create an executable file, which will have name as a.out, which is the default one. And if you want to change this executable name, then you have to make use of -o. Let's call it main.out or just main or main.exe, whatever you want. It can have any extension, doesn't matter. So I don't see any warning here, and I can see there is a binary with name main.created. So I can remove this older file. I don't need this, it will create confusion. Now if I want to run it, I'll run like this, and it is printing hello, and it is mixing with this message because we did not put new line character after printing hello. So we can add that too. Let me save it and compile it again. No error, no warning. I'll run it one more time, and now I can see hello is the output. Now you must be wondering, so the answer of the problem was this. Basically the very first statement will be processed by the preprocessor. The answer is, or the reason is, whatever has a starting symbol hash is processed by the preprocessor. So in this program we have only include stdio.h. That's why this file, what will happen, this file will be expanded or will become part of this our source file when preprocessor sees hash before hash include in the program. So how will you check that? So to check that, we have to specify, we have to make use of hyphen flag and main.c, and now this will produce a file which is just pre-processed by our processor. If I hit enter, you will see this is the program, this is our program, but it is showing few more extra lines. So this is nothing but content of stdio.h header file. To make it more simple, let me go back and let's create a preprocessor directory. Let's create it as defined and just say max 5. So This also start with hash. So this will be processed by preprocessor. Now to understand it better, let's print this variable printf. I will use %d and I will say max. Now this max, what will happen at the time of pre-processing, the preprocessor will replace max with its value, which is 5. So this program will print 5 and then hello. But if we check the file processed by a preprocessor, we will see that this has been replaced by 5. So let's try that. Let me save this, escape shift colon WQ, and let's compile it again. Or I should not say let's compile it again. I should say just create just produce preprocessed file. Compilation is not the right word here. If I see here, so you see here, I don't see the max variable here, or it has been replaced by 5. So it has been replaced because the preprocessor replaced it, and preprocessor did its job. So when compilation start, preprocessor will replace all the hash include by its content, and all the hash defined variable wherever we have used will be replaced by its value. And because of preprocessor, the file size increases because it is the output produced by preprocessor is not just having your program, but it also has the content of all the header file which you have included. In this program we have included only stdio.h, but in case if you are adding or including multiple header file, you will see content of all header file included in the output produced by preprocessor, and that all content will be there before the main function in the sequence. So this is what I want to explain in this video. I will stop here. If you have any doubt or suggestion, you can add your comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.